Institute of Mathematical Foundations Siddipet, an online and offline coaching center for Navodaya and Sainik entrance examinations. We also offers Maths and Science Foundations from class 2 to class 6.
Good morning, children. Welcome to Institute of Mathematical Foundations. We offer online and offline coaching for Sainik and Navodaya entrance examinations. But we are not at Sainik and Navodaya entrance examinations. Now we are discussing what just maths concepts. Maths concepts from 0 level to from UKG level to up to Sainik and Navodaya entrance examinations levels. So 0 level, this concept, reverse writing concept is belongs to what UKG standard. Yesterday we started what international and what Indian place values systems. There we are discussed from third standard to seventh standard. If we start one concept, that concept will be what we will discuss up to the completion of the total concept wherever it is present. Wherever it is present. First we should take what from 0 level. If the concept is present at what UKG level, we will take. If not, if it is present at third standard, fourth standard also we will take. So if we start one concept, we will discuss up to the completion of that concept. So now this is the what UKG standard concept. This is what UKG standard concept, reverse writing concept. Reverse writing. Reverse writing means what? Just writing what downward. Just writing what downward. So now let me write what reverse writing. Reverse writing of what 10 to 1. Reverse writing of what 10 to 1. Let I am writing. So 10 to 1. First we should write what 10 before 9. Before 9 downside, so 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. This is the what 10 to 1 reverse writing. 10 to 1 reverse writing. 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. Okay, next reverse writing. Reverse writing from what 50 to 1. Reverse writing of what 50 to 1. 50 to 1. How we will write 50, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41. 41. Next here 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31. Are you getting an idea? Yes, actually we will write what always 1, 2, 3, 4 like what upward manner. Upward manner. And then we will writing what in upward manner and increasing manner we will write what downside 1 by 1, 1 by 1 we are writing. Now we are writing what so we are what writing? So from large value to small value. Large value to small value. We are what going upside. So not upper value, not more value, upside. Writing the upside. Next what 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21. Now let you take what after 21, 20 we have 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. After this 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is the what reverse writing from 50 to 1. 50 to 1. While we are writing reverse writing, always we are writing what like this we will write. So in our regular classes we will write as what like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Small value to big value downward. Small value to big value downward. In reverse writing we will go like this. How we will write 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We will write like this. Okay, so this is what reverse writing. This is what straight forward writing. So this is the what about the what it is about the so writing reverse writing of numbers. This is from 10 to 1. This is from where to where? 50 to 1. Now are you understood? You what to know about numbers from 1 to 1000. 1 to 1000. Could you able to write any 100 numbers, numbers in reverse manner? That means it may be the 100 to 1, 200 to 100, 300 to 100, 300 to 200, 400 to 300, 500 to 400. Like that, what you can take any 100 numbers in classwork. So you write classwork of this one in classwork notebook. In what you write as homework. You write reverse writing of any 100 numbers. And I will give you some other homework also. Some more homework also I will give you. So this is the what about the reverse writing concept. What it is? Reverse writing concept. So this reverse writing. After this reverse writing concept. So now I will give you homework. Okay, I am removing this one. You pause the video and note down this reverse writing numbers. In classwork notebook you write. So every day we have classwork. What I told you that you should write down in notebook. So classwork notebook, whatever I told you, that one write down. Next one, homework. Homework is so you write so let you take 200 to 100 numbers in reverse manner. 200 to 100 numbers in reverse writing manner. Next one, exam. This is the homework 1. Another one, homework 2 is also present. This homework 2 belongs to 14, exam belongs to 14th class. So who wants to write some more numbers? Who want to develop concept some more deeper level? So they should send me send me as kindly send me sir homework sheets, homework 14th class. And kindly send me exam number 14 or 14th class exam. 14th class exam means what? We have exam concepts from 1 to 13. 1 to 13 concepts we will have. We will have 1 to 13 classes concepts. ఎవరికైతే అవసరం అవుతుందో వాళ్ళు ఏం చేయాలి, నాకు వాట్సాప్ నా ముందు నా స్క్రోల్ అనే నెంబర్కి మీరు వాట్సాప్ కనుక చేస్తే I will send you the question papers. Question papers. So this is what about the maths class number 14 reverse writing. Okay, bye bye. Note down.